Okay, I've been into amateur radio for a few years now. Only a foundation license holder. Have no ambitions really to go beyond that. Does what I wanted to do. I enjoy what I do. I've got so many other hobbies. Haven't always got time to invest in one specific. Anyway, I'm already out of breath because I thought I was recording this at the bottom of the hill, and I wasn't. I was just holding a bloody phone and talking. Anyways, I've decided I'm going to do a SOTA activation. On this occasion is Mynydd Machen, which is just outside Risca. GW/8SW/030. I'm extremely unfit. Can't remember the last time I even went for a bloody proper walk. So here goes. I'll probably see you when I get to the top. Yep, I'm out of breath. As I said, I'm totally unfit. Anyway, the forecast says no rain, but the cows seem to have a different idea. They're lying down. I don't know if you can see over in the distance there's a Bristol Channel, and in the valley over there is Risca and Cross Keys, and I'm heading that way, sort of towards that antenna on the horizon there on the right. I think if I remember rightly, I'm going to be to the left of it slightly. Anyway, onward and upward. Okay, well, I'm nearly there. Whew. It's very warm, and my bag is probably a lot heavier than it should be, but especially in these conditions, my fitness levels, I need to carry quite a bit of water. And it occurred to me as I've been walking up here that during the Second World War, the Nazis, probably amongst others, were working on heavy water. Has anybody ever worked on light water? I mean, that's what we need. Light water. Water that takes up half the space of what you need, or something like that. But anyway, a couple of crows there in the distance, as you can see them. I swear blind they've been laughing at me on my way up. Staggering up this path. Okay. Well, I'm nearly there. Here's a bit of the view. Okay. If you can see that. That looks like some spoils on top of that. That doesn't look natural. There we are. Anyway, that I expect to interfere with 2 meters apparently. Let's wait till we get there. Okay, so I'm at the top. There you go. I've got my breath back now as well. Here we are. I'm just going to start setting up the antenna. I think, if I'm right, northeasterly on a line of northeast to get the best coverage, but we'll see. Hopefully, fingers crossed, into Europe and maybe North America. I doubt it very much, but we'll see. Okay, I'm not even sure what conditions are like at the moment. I haven't bothered looking. Okay, so I've got a couple of posts to do, and well, I'm going to post on SOTA, the website, SOTA Watch, to let people know that I'm going to be up here shortly. And there we are. Anyway, I've got to start setting up, so let's go. I don't know if you can see it properly, but that's the antenna. Okay, so that's set up. I brought a little table and chairs with me. I'm just going to check the swell on it because I only set it up yesterday for the first time. So I'm going to check the swell on it again. Hopefully it'll be okay. I can make a few adjustments. I got some tools with me that added to the weight, and then we'll get on the air and see what happens. Okay, fingers crossed. Well, I'm finally up here. Conditions are absolutely atrocious. I'll just scan across to the horizon. You can see the visibility is next to zero. It is coming and going. Drizzle's horrendous. Not great at all. But there you go. I'm here and I'm doing it. By the way, I had to come back 2 days later, following on from my previous video because I forgot my microphone. So there you go, and I'm on my handheld and I've got quite a few contacts so far, so fingers crossed this is all going according to plan. Well, I say according to plan. I'm wet. I didn't intend to get wet. Okay, there you go.